Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to create a VM, the cheapest one, in Microsoft Azure. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. So first we need to search for virtual machine on the left menu. This one. Then we press create virtual machine. Then we select subscription and resource group. Set the virtual machine name. Then you can select the different options. We select only one zone because if you select few, we will create various machines. We need only one. In our case, it will be Ubuntu. This one. This is the part most important. We need to select the size for this virtual machine. Click on See All Sizes. The best of Microsoft Azure is that we can order by price. Like this. Just click here, you will see the cheapest one. This price is something like 3 or 4 American dollars. So very cheap. You can see that the name is B1LS. It will have 1 core and 500 megabytes of RAM. So we select this one. That will be type general purpose with 1 core and 500 megabytes of RAM. Just click on select. Then we need to create a username. And we can create a public key. We need to set name for public key. Then if you want to connect to this machine, you need allow this port 22. Click next. The default image is the smallest one, so it's okay. Then we need to select the disk type. This one is the most cheapest. Next. Then we select virtual network. And then the subnet. The public IP will be new. Then everything else will left as is. Next. Then we have manage identity. Sorry, manage identity. If you want to use some other services from that machine, you will enable it, and that machine will have specific rights to do something. As you can see, resources to authenticate to cloud services. We don't need it, so we can enable auto shutdown. If you want, for example, your machine from 9 to 5, you can save some money. It's very useful. Next, next, we can paste custom script in custom data field to configure our machines. We don't need it, so there are other few options. Click next and review and create. So in total, it will be like $5 American. Then press create. You need to download private key. Just click there and save the file. It can take few minutes. So it's mostly done. Let's wait a little more. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you like my videos. So now it's done. We can go to the resource. We can see that our machine is created with one CPU and 500 megabytes of RAM. We have public IP. Sorry. And now we can delete it. We want to delete everything. Disk, network interface, and public IP, because if we don't delete this disk, for example, it will cost us money. So mark this option and delete. So hopefully this video was useful for someone. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.